Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are back with another tutorial on how you can easily make your Amazon Music playlist public. First of all, open up a web browser and log in to music.amazon.com, and once you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap on the heart icon at the top left corner and select Music. You'll then come across your library where you can find your playlist. Simply go ahead and tap on one of your playlists and then go ahead and click the three dots right next to Shuffle at the top. Now in the pop-up, click on Make Public. Click on Make Public once again to confirm, and you'll then be able to change your playlist from private to public. And that's it. Now you know how to make your Amazon Music playlist public and share your favorite songs with everyone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips every day. Thanks for watching and happy listening.